Hello everyone, this is Awabakib and we are going to discuss the last part of our paper, presentation part. Okay, so the PowerPoint. So first of we are going to import the RT file as a new presentation. Okay, so we'll just open PowerPoint and we'll wait. We'll open a blank presentation. Okay, so you're just going to open the file as it is. Okay, go to browse, you go to desktop, wherever your source file folders are. So you click on all files because this is not a typically PowerPoint format. So what was the name? Program. Yes, so double click and the program opens. Okay, so you just quickly check it once it's correct. Create a master slide for the presentation with a minimum of 4 features. So you go to view and you click on slide master. So what slide master does is basically it provides you a generic layout for all the slides at once. Okay, you don't need to copy paste it. Please make sure that you always are on the root slide here. Okay, so this is the master slide. So you have to make a minimum of 4 features. So if you look at the original, so it is pretty simple. Okay, there is no formatting done, so we just have to add a couple of features. One thing worth noticing is that this is going to be a couple of delegates. Okay, so we are essentially going to use this logo, okay, summer school, because this is the logo of our company basically. Yes, so if I go back to the master slide, I go to the root, I press home, I am here. Okay, so I'll just insert the image here. Before that, let's take this down. Okay, yeah, I think this would be enough. I insert the image, this is N219 logo. Yeah, so this is the first feature. Secondly, we'd naturally want a border up here so we can know this is the header and this is the content below. Okay, so we'll put a nice simple line next to this sweet logo up here. So I'll just insert a shape. Let's use a small rectangle. Okay, we'll fill it with some color and let's move it down below a bit so our line has some space to breathe. And let's use a black, maybe, okay, a black looks good. If I go to the, okay, so you see all of these slides now carry the same format exactly. Okay, so this is what you can do. So we used 2 features. You can maybe add a couple of fonts, maybe change the font size, maybe improve the visuals a bit more. It's all up to you. Okay, so place your name, center number and candidate number on the master slide. So you go again back to the master slide, you go press home. Okay, you're here. So we're going to delete this because this does not show up on the footer of every slide. Instead, what do we need? Okay, so slide number, we need the name, center number and candidate number. Okay, so I'll just insert a text box. I'll go to insert I'll put a text box here. Yeah, so I'll say the same things I've been saying for the past couple of videos. Okay and if I close this now, so I can see it shows my candidate number and all the relevant details and at the footer of every slide. Perfect. Place in your evidence document screenshot to show the features that you have applied. Okay, we have already discussed that. You may also include notes of those that are not obvious. Moving on, apply the master slide features to all the slides in the slideshow. We have already done that, as you can clearly see. Add your name as the meeting leader on the first slide. Okay, so we are leader. Wow, well, we kind of already were, because with this. Okay, so add your name as the meeting leader on the first slide. So I'll put it as Awad Akib, and let's add, or let's use the same. We don't want to do any injustice. Okay, so got 123 and 0003. Okay, so these are the details. We are the leader. And the first slide, make the layout of the slide a title and subtitle with text centered. Okay, so we are going to center this, and we're also going to center this. Okay, so this is a title, and we remove the bullet, and this is a subtitle now. Okay, let's just save this presentation as well. I'll use it as FM2019T5. Okay, move the last slide, delegate arrival details, to become the second slide. Okay, this is very easy. You just go to the last slide, you drag and drop it below the first one. This is now the second slide automatically. On the slide arrival of delegates, demote the bullet points with driver names to a second level. So this is the arrival of delegates. So basically these two are drivers that should be indented below the driver. So if I press on this button, this indents them by one step. Okay, if I press this back, they go to the original position. So this is correct now. Print the slide with the title arrival of delegates only as a full size slide. Okay, and make sure that your name, center number, etc. appears on all the slides. So if I press Ctrl P, please make sure that you only say print the current slide. Okay, this is the only thing that we're going to do. And print the slide. Okay, we've done this. Print all the presentation as handout showing 6 slides to the page. So if you want to print the handout, you click on Ctrl P. Okay, print, and instead of printing all of them, you say print all slides, and you'll use these handout templates. Okay, so since we have 6 slides, we're going to use 6. It says make sure that your name, center number is present in all the slides. It is. Okay, so you can see it slightly at the bottom corner. Done. Now yeah, so we're going to just print it, and at the end it says also to save your evidence document and print this as well. I think we missed one, evidence 14. Okay, so yeah, we discussed that verbally. So here we go. We have successfully completed the March 2019's paper. So if you have any questions, if you have any requests, please let me know in the comments. Otherwise, good luck for the exams. Okay, thank you so much.